Hi, this is Justin from Gilbert, Arizona, and this is a quick tour of our GenStone accent wall. So we lived in this house for quite a few years, and we decided it was time to do something different with this wall in our living room, which was basically blank. And so we started the project by ordering a couple of samples from GenStone. There were 12-inch by 12-inch squares, and there are two different colors. We decided to go with this nice desert sunrise color because we felt like it matched our existing decor and our walls very nicely. So we went with that, and we had the mantel installed and nice fireplace and brand new OLED TV that went on top of the stone material. And we're very pleased with the result. We get lots of compliments, and we'd highly recommend others choose GenStone as well.